Welcome to Learn Design. Today I will show you how to make any kind of custom shape, and how to do it extremely quick so the ideas in your head don't fade away while figuring out how to do it. Okay, let's start by creating an artboard. Dimensions don't matter, but I used 1000 by 1300 dpi. First of all, we need to choose any kind of shape. Here you can already move it on the anchor points and create a custom shape. But this sometimes takes too long. Press V to come back to the normal tool, then duplicate the current shape by holding Alt plus moving the shape. Now we have the two shapes overlapping. Let's connect them. Select both shapes and click Shift plus M on your keyboard. Now you can hover over the areas and see which shape it would create when pressing left mouse button. You can also hold left mouse button and drag across them to make it one shape. Quick tip, always use a copy on the side so you can edit it later on if you don't like the new result. Let's create another shape so I can show you some more use cases using the Shift plus M tool, also called Shape Builder tool. Here I duplicated the existing shape by pressing Alt and dragging it up. Then I selected both shapes, pressed Shift plus M and started removing areas by pressing Alt and clicking on the unwanted areas. Now we have two weird crystals, I would say. Just by normally clicking on one of the gray areas that appear when hovering over them, you can make single shapes out of them. Here I colored them to make it a little bit more appealing to watch. As you can see, now it's possible to pull the shapes out alone. There is one last thing I would like to show you. Select all three shapes. When you go to Object, then Path, and then Offset Path. You can now give every shape a custom offset, which basically creates a new shape over the old one. Just 7 pixels bigger than the last one. By doing this you can now get even spaces between all those shapes. Well done. Now you know how to cut and create shapes like a pro. If I could help you, please leave a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. I also apologize if this tutorial is not perfect, it's my first one. If you got tips on how to make them better, let me know in the comments. Now have fun designing.